Oh, look. To me from Anne. Nice. Whoa!
Hey guys, it's Anne. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be surprising my brother for Christmas by redecorating his room. And he already kind of knows because he's asked me to redecorate his room for him, but he doesn't know how hard I'm going. So I'm at Home Depot right now and I'm picking up wood and I'm going to build him a shelf. And I also ordered a bunch of decorations from Amazon. So I'm so excited to show you guys what I'm doing. Okay, whew, I'm back. Everyone was definitely just staring at me because I look like a freaking princess in Home Depot, but it's fine. I got what I needed. Literally, the wood fits like exactly, so I'm so glad that like 6 feet was like literally all I could do. Guys, I also realized that I deleted my Adobe account, so I have no idea how I'm going to be editing this video, but we're just gonna figure that out later. I hope that wood is okay. So I'm in my basement and I have all my wood and my supplies for the shelf in front of me. I have this long piece and it is 8 inches by 6 feet and I have 2 of them. And I then have these 2 skinny pieces of wood. My inspiration for this is this PBT shelf that I actually saw, and it was like $129, and I was like, okay, I could make that for cheaper. So everything here is about $60, and that's like half, so I'd say that's pretty good. I have this black contact paper. It's actually black wallpaper because I'm too cheap for black contact paper because the wallpaper was like $5. I got 4 of these little corner bracket things. These are just gonna go under the shelves, under each of them, to make sure that it stays upright. I think the first step is just to mark out my wood and figure out where I want to cut this, and then I think I'm gonna get my dad to help me cut it where I need it. Okay, so as an update, my dad just finished helping me cut these pieces of wood, and this is basically what the shelf is going to look like, and I'm so excited because it actually looks so much like the picture. But I'm experimenting with the contact paper, and this is what it looks like. It's like a sticker basically, and it has some nice like texture to it, but it doesn't really look that great on here. So like it looks fine, but then you have these corners where it just looks like kind of gross like that, which I don't really want. So I found this spray paint, and I think I'm just gonna spray paint this instead because it's just a lot easier and it'll probably look nicer. So before spray painting, I decided to screw in all the L-shaped brackets, and there were a lot of them, so that took a long time, but this is what it looks like. And then to add extra support, I put in these nails in the back of each of the shelves. Okay, so first coat done. So there you saw me spray painting the shelves, and the black really just brings everything together, and that's it for the shelves, but oh my god, it looks so nice. Next up is the other shelf that's going to go behind my brother's bed, and I decided to go with the black contact paper for this because I was running out of spray paint, and also the black contact paper looks good from the top, but the sides don't really look good, but that was totally fine for this purpose. So I was just using a ruler and making sure there was no bubbles, and then just kind of wrapping it like a present, and it was honestly really fun, and it ended up looking really nice and it matched the rest of his furniture. So here's the reveal, and it honestly looks so professional if you don't look at the sides, but honestly you can't even see that in the camera. And now to put it up on the wall, basically I put in all these L-shaped brackets and I thought that I was just going to screw them to the bed and the wall, but it turns out the space between the bed and the wall is super tiny, so I couldn't fit in there. So after a billion tries and probably an hour and a half of pushing the bed in and out, I finally came up with a solution to disconnect the brackets from the board and only attach it to the bed and then kind of push them together, and it ended up working perfectly, and I was so proud. Like, look how sleek. Okay, so almost done, and oh my god, look at how many Amazon boxes I have on the ground. But let me show you these 3 prints that I got from Amazon. So they're on canvas and they make an airplane, and they're so cute, and I'm so excited to put them up. Merry Christmas, guys. So it is 2 p.m. on Christmas Day and I'm finally done with the room. I was going to finish it last night and surprise Michael for Christmas Eve, but the room actually took longer than I expected and the shelves weren't dry and I still had a few things to put up. So now I can finally get his reaction. So before I get into the final reveal, let me show you what the room used to look like back when it was my sister's. And over the summer I helped my brother paint it blue and I helped him put up those LED lights, but other than that he never really decorated and he wanted me to decorate for him.
Oh, look. To me from Anne. Nice. Whoa. Wow.
What do you think, Mike?
Really like it.
So that's it for my video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed watching me redecorate my brother's room for him. And I know I had so much fun doing this over the past 3 days, and I loved how the room turned out, and I know Michael did as well. So if you like my content, make sure to give this a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time for another video. Happy holidays, guys!
Thank you, and oh, look at that.